Hello guys, welcome back. So friends, today's demonstration we will see how to define project parameter in webmethod.io integration. Okay, so you already aware about in web method we use local variable and global variable. So project parameter is nothing but is your key value pair. Okay, if you want to define any kind of a parameter in the form of a credential, yeah, key value pair, you can directly define. Let's say if I say manage value is 1 2 3 or manage 1 2 3. So instead of a manage, I'll place manage 1 2 3. So this is just like your global and local variable, whatever we define in web method. It's similar to in web method.io integration. So basically, there are two ways. Project parameter basically we define in workflows. There are two ways. In workflow setting, we can define our project parameter, and second way, in configuration page, we have an option to define our project parameter. Okay. So let me show you the first option. Here you can see the integration APIs, connectors, and configuration. Click on configuration, then workflows. Here you can see the parameter option. Just click on that. Now here new parameter option is available. So with the help of with just you can add parameter, delete parameter, edit parameter as well. Okay. So click on new parameter. Here you can define your mail ID, yeah, any kind of a key value pair. Okay. So I just mentioning abc@gmail.com. Okay. I'm taking another parameter as a Gmail, and here we pass a value as a manage. If you want to set as a parameter field, you can just click on this option so that it will like securely defined. If you don't want, then you can just click on this option. Okay. Then you can click on create option. If you want to set this is a mandatory option, we have option as well. And previously I created one parameter as admin, and this is a credential I mentioned. Okay. So as per project requirement, if you want to set any kind of a parameter as a credential base, like secure base, that a case you can use also parameter. So this is a one way. You can say you can first select your project, then workflows and configuration page. We have option new parameter, and just click on this new parameter and mention your key value pair. Then select mandatory optional as well, and then if you want to set as a password, yeah, not a password, you can just unselect the checkbox. That way you can define your parameter. And here guys, you can see the option. You can just edit parameter as well and delete parameter as well. If I want to edit, you can just click on that option, and here you can set the value. If you don't want, then you can just cancel it. If you want to delete, just click on that and delete. You can perform the delete operation as well. So these are the things basically you can create a parameter in webmethod.io, and this is the first way. So let me explain you the second way. Just click on integration workflows. Here I define one workflow here. Okay, so just click on edit option. Okay, once you click on the edit option, so here you can see the gear icon. Okay, now parameter, and this parameter, like whatever parameter you added in a configuration, it automatically added here. And with the help of this option, you can just Gmail, otherwise admin, and manage. And I want to set as a password field and as well as mandatory. Just select this checkbox both and click on add option. So that way you can define this parameter, and those parameter you can use in your workflow as well. Okay. So that is the basic way you can add a parameter in webmethod.io integration. So that's all about today's demonstration guys. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment our own channel. I will come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much. Have a great day.